Alright. So it is the, see, HSV1 can cause 33% of initial outbreaks. HSV2 infections recur 6 times more frequently than HSV1 is what you have to basically remember. Now, which is useful for the long-term treatment of alcohol dependence? Who will shoot me the correct answer? A camprosate is the one which is for the long-term treatment of the alcohol dependence, which is basically N-acetyl homotaurin is the one which is used. Now this is another very standard and easy question. March fracture is second metatarsal stress fracture. Very good. Once more comes the problem. What is most frequent? We don't know. Cryptorchidism causes any of this. But what is most frequent? Okay, let me guess. Malignant transformation is Dr. Faisal's answer. What do you propose, Shweta? Infertility? Infertility. Any other answer, doctor? Hernia? Very good. We almost finished the spread. Nobody is saying epididyma orchidis. Mannu proposes B. Amrita Hyderabad says C. Hari Tulasi proposes B. Jasmeet proposes infertility, which is the correct answer. Why? We did some homework. In cryptorchidism, 60% chances of successful fertility. That means 40% of failure is there if there is bilateral, and if it is unilateral, chances of success of fertility is 88.4%. Okay, then if you look at malignant transformation, 30% is the malignant transformation. So examiner did not give whether it is bilateral cryptorchid or unilateral cryptorchid. If it is unilateral cryptorchid, failure is around 12%, which is lesser than malignant transformation of 30%. But this 30% is if you do biopsy of the testis. Biopsy can detect much earlier. So they are all mixed statistics. I think infertility may be much easier because general infertility plus this special infertility put together may be higher infertility. In general only population infertility is higher, continuously sitting in the reading room and increasing temperature and decreases spermatogenesis is a common etiological factor. So that's the reason quickly get the seat in at most second attempt. Otherwise there are other risks in the life. So anyway doc. Now long-term corticosteroids does not lead to hyper, they lead to not hypoglycemia. Very good. Laser iridotomy, another very standard question. What is your answer? Angle closure glaucoma is what need to be remembered. Gist tumor, C-kit is a favorite question generally, but what is your answer? Interstitial cells of Kajal. There is not much of confusion about this. Very good. So some questions we are not really debating because they are very simple questions. Retina develops from anybody from some corner thinking maybe surface ectoderm? Faisal, you did correctly neuroectoderm in the exam. Oh, very good, very good. Anybody else? Nobody? At least our online students. No. Tara, Achyut, everyone is saying A. Neural ectoderm. That's good. And what comes from surface ectoderm, doctor? Lens is the one which comes from surface ectoderm. This is a challenging question. I know your ankle will be twisted. Moderate amount of alcohol पिए तो क्या मिलेगा? Severe alcohol पिए तो क्या मिलेगा? Who will give me the correct answer? There is a clue in the word. Here moderate is a good adjective. There is a meaning in moderate. Fetal alcohol syndrome is Faisal's answer. Swati's answer. Shweta, what do you say? Yes, one Supreme Court judge like answer. Quick guess, quick guess. D is a natural intuitional answer, right? Let me check our online students. Karthik says B because there is a fight between B and D only. There is no second A or C. Agar A or C answer kare to we are too late for this exam. Huh? Sorry, Rohit answered C. Sorry Rohit, I don't mean anything else. Okay. Achyut, Hari, Hyderabad, and everyone says D. Now comes the teacher's answer. Mental retardation. Why? Even moderate drinking in pregnancy can affect child's IQ. There are papers published on that. Fetal alcohol syndrome occurs only when high levels of alcohol consumption, high is equal to severe, not moderate. So that becomes the answer, right? So, but this kind of questions you need to be careful because fate is the deciding factor in when these questions go wrong. But you still have 50 chances in Amitabh Bachchan, Kaun Banega, PG Pati. So you can take few helplines, lifelines, everything. But more than 50, if you do wrong, you are out of the game. And those wrongs occur because of this kind of questions. You need to be very sure. No problem. Now, Hamann sign, that crunching feeling is typically pneumomediastinum, which is the classical answer. Now, which is a contraindication to the liver transplant? Yes, what is your ongoing substance abuse is an answer proposed by Riyaz. What is your name? Aziz, that's good. So, what else? Even Shreya, Rohit are proposing ongoing substance abuse. Yes, I wanted at least one to wrongly answer. Vijaya proposes portal hypertension. Hepatorenal is your answer? Oh, even that is wrong. So the correct answer is ongoing substance abuse. So doc, contraindications for liver transplantation. 100% you should be sure. Because some of you are going to be world-class transplant surgeons within, this is what, 2013, 2017, I'm going to come with, for a transplant, be ready. So, HIV, active alcohol or substance abuse, systemic infections and uncontrolled psychiatric disorder, they are all the contraindication. If uncontrolled psychiatric disorder is given, it's very difficult to guess in the exam hall, right? The ourselves are carrying one of the diagnoses, right? Now, common indications are cholestatic disease, chronic hepatitis, alcoholic cirrhosis, abstinence of alcohol for 6 months, and etc. etc. That is a prerequisite in alcoholic cirrhosis. Then metabolic disorders, fulminant acute hepatic necrosis, primary hepatic tumors, they are all the important indications. Which has the least risk of developing bone or cartilaginous sarcomatous transformation? Another very difficult question to answer because it is related with percentages. Olliers is one answer, Aziz proposes. Any other answer? Olliers, Mafuki, chondroblastoma, all of them will undergo sarcomatous change. Let me check the online students. Shreya says B, Rohit says C, Karthik says A. I think right time for starting a discussion. Olliers, malignant transformation is 25 to 30%, doctor. Once more, Bombay Cotton Merchant. Then enchondroma is 15.2%. And I was also not sure what was the answer. I am not committing any answer for this, but there are all the various statistics. Okay. This question I did not understand. Type 1, type 4 is what? Hypersensitivity? He means to say because there is no Mantoux subclassification, right? So it's a delayed hypersensitivity and a positive test being 15. So no big confusion. Any other answer you are sporting with? No. So 15, type 4, positive and type 4. Okay. Oral hairy leukoplakia, where does it occur? Oral hairy leukoplakia. At last I am going to debate with you. Maybe you may be right in some instances. Don't worry, we will have a debate at the end. Okay, what is your answer? HIV. I think another very simple question. It is caused by? Caused by? Somebody is trying to say Candida? No, Epstein-Barr virus. Right, very good. So it is Epstein-Barr virus in HIV infection. Black water fever is? Otherwise our biology teacher gets a heart attack. So malaria. Right, very good. Then the gap between primary and secondary case is called serial interval. Another very simple question. Okay, this is a challenging question. Dear, no challenge? Nobody thought supraoptic? Very good. It is paraventricular nucleus of the hypothalamus. So that's good. Now herpes simplex keratitis. What is the important feature? Reduced corneal sensation is an answer from Aziz and our Faisal. So Guntur also proposes D. Vijaya says D. Somu says D. Tulasi says D. Very good. Reduced corneal sensation in fact is the correct answer. Sexual precocity, cystic bone lesions, endocrinopathy in the form of precocious puberty. It is McCune-Albright syndrome. Very cakewalk answer. Mouth-eaten alopecia, where do you see, doctor? Secondary syphilis. There is no surprise. Many times asked previous question. Rheumatic heart disease, low-grade fever, pallor, clubbing, microscopic hematuria. Anything else you want? Blood culture. Blood culture. Why? What is your diagnosis? Infective endocarditis, which is happening on the valvular lesion of the rheumatic heart disease. By chance anybody answered ASO? We caught Faisal red-handed. Let me check. That means online students who are proposers of A will be there. Jasmeet says A. Achyut says C. Urine culture? No, Achyut, you are totally out of the standard deviations. Shreya proposes A. See, there can be epidemic of similar thinking. Clubbing, microscopic hematuria, splenomegaly, they are all infective endocarditis, doctor. Blood culture is the gold standard diagnosis. Okay. Septate uterus with a high pregnancy loss. What is the best treatment? Modern treatment of choice of septate uterus. Hysteroscopic metroplasty is an answer we are getting from Shwati. Karthik says D. Achyut says D. Mannu says D. Somu says D, which is correct answer. Which is hysteroscopic metroplasty is the one which is the treatment of choice.